In step, short seated breathing, you're going to start seated on a box or a couple plates or anything that's about 6 inches tall. For taller individuals, you can go a little bit higher than that. But we're going to have your feet and your knees together, feeling your sit bones on the box. You're then going to grab your left toes with your left hand and pull up just gently so we feel your left heel. And then you're going to rest your right forearm on your right thigh to just slightly rotate your trunk or your chest to the right. From here, you're going to focus on trying to push your left sit bone into the box and really feel a lot of left sit bone. If you really focus on doing that, you should begin to feel your left abdominals as well. We are going to try to maintain feeling of the left heel, left abdominals, and left sit bone as you quietly breathe in through your nose. So quiet you can't even hear it. Exhale all of your air out through your mouth as much as you possibly can. When you have no air left, literally none, because you're breathing out so hard, you're going to pause for about 5 seconds. And then you're going to quietly breathe in again through your nose and repeat for breaths.